Are you looking for a versatile, reliable, and efficient electric skillet that can handle your family's meals with ease? Whether you're preparing a large breakfast, sizzling fajitas for dinner, or cooking up a batch of cookies, this Dash family-size electric skillet is a game changer. With its 14-inch non-stick cooking surface and 20-cup capacity, this skillet ensures you can cook for the whole family without breaking a sweat. If you're tired of cooking in multiple batches or dealing with overcrowded pans, this skillet offers a practical solution to all your cooking needs. In this review, we'll break down the key features, benefits, and performance of the Dash family-size electric skillet to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. 1. Generous 20-cup capacity. The Dash family-size electric skillet is designed with large families or parties in mind. Its 14-inch cooking surface and 2.5-inch depth allow you to prepare up to 20 cups of food, which can easily feed up to 6 people. Whether you're making a big batch of pancakes, cooking up burgers for the family, or preparing a stir-fry for dinner, this skillet provides ample space for all your cooking needs. You can comfortably cook larger meals without the hassle of overcrowding or multiple cooking sessions, saving you time and effort. If you're someone who loves hosting dinner parties or enjoys family meals together, the Dash electric skillet will be your best friend. You can make everything from fajitas, pizza, stir-fries, scrambled eggs, and more with minimal effort. The large cooking surface allows you to experiment with a variety of recipes without worrying about capacity limitations. 2. Rapid heat for quick cooking. One of the standout features of the Dash family-size electric skillet is its ability to heat up quickly. The 1400-watt heating system allows the skillet to reach temperatures of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is significantly faster than using a traditional stovetop or oven. This means you can start cooking in less time and enjoy a hot meal sooner, making it a perfect option for busy families or individuals who are always on the go. Whether you're preparing breakfast in the morning or cooking a last-minute dinner, this skillet's quick heating capabilities ensure that you won't have to wait long to enjoy your meal. 3. TruGlide nonstick surface for easy cooking and cleanup. The Dash electric skillet features a TruGlide PFOA-free nonstick surface, making it incredibly easy to cook with and clean afterward. The nonstick coating ensures that your food slides off the surface effortlessly, preventing sticking and burning. Whether you're frying eggs, cooking pancakes, or sautéing vegetables, you won't have to worry about food clinging to the surface or requiring excessive amounts of oil or butter. 4. Tempered glass lid for convenient monitoring. The Dash family-size electric skillet comes equipped with a tempered glass lid, allowing you to keep an eye on your food while it cooks. The lid is designed to lock in heat and moisture, helping to preserve the flavor and texture of your meals. You can easily check on the progress of your dish without needing to lift the lid and lose heat, ensuring that your meals cook evenly and stay warm. 5. Safe and easy to use. The Dash family-size electric skillet is designed with safety and convenience in mind. The Cool Touch handle ensures you can safely handle the skillet, even while it's cooking at high temperatures. You can easily move the skillet from the counter to the table without worrying about burns or accidents. 6. Recipe book and access to recipe database. Included with the Dash family-size electric skillet is a recipe book and access to a recipe database offering endless cooking inspiration. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, you can explore new recipes and expand your culinary skills. The recipe book is packed with creative and delicious ideas for every meal of the day, including breakfast, lunch, dinners, and desserts. 7. Convenient, non-electric parts for easy cleaning. The non-electric components of the Dash family-size electric skillet are designed to be easy to clean. The skillet's cooking surface, glass lid, and handle can all be wiped down quickly after use, making it convenient to maintain. The non-stick surface prevents food from sticking, ensuring that cleanup is effortless and stress-free. Simply wipe or rinse off the cooking surface with warm water and mild detergent. 8. Ideal for large families or entertaining. If you often entertain guests, have large family gatherings, or simply prefer cooking in one go, the Dash family-size electric skillet is an ideal choice. Its 20-cup capacity allows you to prepare enough food for several people, so you don't have to make multiple dishes or cook in batches. It's perfect for feeding large groups during holidays, birthdays, or casual get-togethers. The versatility and ample cooking surface allow you to prepare a wide variety of dishes, from savory to sweet, all in one place. The 1400-watt power ensures that the food cooks quickly and evenly, making it a must-have appliance for anyone who enjoys cooking large meals. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.